You might think you hit a sour note if you were diagnosed with cancer and had to go through chemotherapy treatment, but that did not stop Luke Heupel from facing the music with grace, completing his freshman year as a trumpet player at MSU. How he did it is impressive, but his attitude is even more inspiring. He says there's a higher power to thank for his strength, and as you're about to hear, his musical gifts. Here's this morning's edition of Positively Montana. Shout to the Lord, recorded during his second round of chemo. You don't need me to tell you Luke Heupel is talented. Just listen.
I really like orchestra type stuff.
Indeed, it was music that put Luke on the radar of MSU faculty long before his senior year at Kalispell. Skills as a musician and composer that would land Luke a scholarship in the School of Music. Everything in Luke's life was moving in harmony until a sudden illness would change the tune.
I got just a little cough. Eventually, they did some more tests and found that I had leukemia.
He calls it an unexpected blessing of the COVID pandemic. Thanks to that concern, they caught the cancer early, but there was a long road ahead. He was flown to Denver for 6 months of treatment, including round after round of chemotherapy.
Sometimes you just look back on it and you're like, did that actually happen?
He took with him his faith, a plan to stay on track at MSU, and of course, his trumpet.
Yeah, the trumpet just gave me something to do.
He attended his music classes via Zoom, even during those 5 intense rounds of chemo. Instructor, Dr. Sarah Stonebach.
We'd pull down the big screen and it would be Luke on the screen. Witnessing that was humbling.
She said he always came prepared. Luke managed to find multiple ways to practice in the hospital in spite of the fact a trumpet isn't exactly quiet.
Yeah, so the trumpet, it's a really loud instrument, but I had this one nurse and she'd always find spots in the hospital that I could play. Yeah, the coolest one was she got me on top of the helicopter pad.
He was able to attend one pop-up concert on campus at the end of the semester.
Yeah, that was really cool to actually play with other people.
Is there a healing power in music?
Yes, I think so.
Luke reminds us we all have spiritual gifts, and he is thankful for his.
The reason that I was able to put on a smile every day is because is my love for God and all that He's done for me. Even though, I'm going through these bad things, He was with me the whole time. Even when I thought my world was falling apart, without my faith in Him, I wouldn't be where I am today.
Luke, one of the most inspiring people I have ever met. He remains healthy now and looks forward to completing his sophomore year on campus at MSU.